Hi, my smart, athletic people. How do you feel after working out? I used to feel rubbish, absolutely rubbish. And that's what we are going to discuss today. It's me, Hala here, founder of Dietapplements. After working out, I used to feel depleted, weak, flat, shaky, and I would wonder the whole day how come anyone would celebrate sports. I know I have autoimmune diseases, but they are not closely related to exercise fatigue. The good thing is I'm metabolically healthy. I'm sensitive to insulin. I eat an organic keto diet. I do intermittent fasting. So I didn't get why I struggled so much with exercise recovery. I've recently interviewed a sports and exercise medicine doctor and a physio in my podcast, The Visionary with Hala. Links will be in the description. And they were the nudge for me to decide to treat exercise the way I treat having a shower, brushing my teeth. It's a must. I'm 47. My bones are not the strongest. I really needed to up my game. I said to myself, I didn't have to lift heavy weights for hours or anything. If all I can do is 30 minutes only of Pilates every morning, I'll do it. If my child is having classes before and after school, it's perfectly fine. I don't have to do it that day. I'm not going to stress over it. Okay, what type of exercise I do, and it used to deplete the hell out of me, and how I overcome that with diet. There is an amazing YouTube channel called Move with Nicole. We don't have any financial or business affiliation with Nicole, but she's my personal hero. I do her Pilates with weights, so I get the flexibility, I get the stretches, I get the strength training all in one. Now, here are the reasons I used to feel low on energy after my workouts and how I fixed it. Number 1, insufficient glycogen. If you're on a keto diet or low carb, keto limits glycogen, which is stored carb energy. Our body needs glycogen for strength training, for sprints, even moderate intensity exercise. I now do targeted keto diet. What does that mean? It means eating a small amount of fast digesting carbs just before working out to get the energy I need. For example, 1 teaspoon of raw honey, or 2 dates, or maybe baked sweet potatoes if you have leftovers. Remember, not all carbs are created equally. If you go for table sugar or starches, that's the worst thing you can ever do to your body. Yes, you will sprint like a kangaroo, but oh boy, you will be damaging your body. So at least go for carbs that are rich in vitamins, minerals, antioxidants. Consider it a treat. Yes, dates and honey will give you an insulin spike, but we're kind of weighing the options here. You will get proper energy to exercise nicely and a bit of nutrients. So it's a win-win situation. Now, the second reason I might have been so sluggish after working out is if protein or the amino acid leucine intake is low after working out, this will blunt muscle repair. After training, your muscles are primed to absorb amino acids and rebuild tissue. This is called the anabolic window. And the goal here is to reduce muscle breakdown. You need your muscles. You don't want to break them down unnecessarily. The other goal is to stimulate muscle protein synthesis. This is another fancy name. It's the process where your body builds new muscle proteins to strengthen the tissues that were damaged during exercise. By the way, when I say after workout, I mean within 30 to 90 minutes. The sooner the better after you exercise. Of course, I had protein in my diet, but it was never right after exercise. You need those lovely amino acids running through your bloodstream to recover your muscles. So, time protein strategically. Now, what kind of protein and how much? Make sure to get between 30 and 40 grams of protein high in the amino acid leucine, like for example whey. Whey protein is the highest source of leucine. Or you can have eggs. For me, I work out at home in the morning, so it's super easy and convenient for me. Once I'm done, I fry 3 eggs and I'm sorted. We also have beef, of course, a great amino acid profile, and tuna, mackerel and salmon. Now you must be thinking, what are fish doing here? These lovely fishes, tuna, mackerel, and salmon, are loaded with protein and all 9 essential amino acids your muscles need to rebuild. They are also rich in omega-3, which is anti-inflammatory, so your muscles feel less sore and your joints repair faster from stress. Final point, hydration. With every workout, we lose roughly a teaspoon of salt. So we need electrolytes. That's sodium, magnesium, potassium, calcium, and chloride. With your lovely protein, add a bit of Himalayan salt or Celtic salt to water. Eat avocado, that's potassium, spinach, that's magnesium, cheese, we have calcium and sodium in cheese, or maybe, just maybe, drink bone broth. Bone broth is very rich in sodium, potassium, and other minerals. If you're into clean, pure supplements, our website is in the description. Please check it out. This never gets old. You might also be deficient in B vitamins, especially B2, B5, and B6. They are crucial for sports recovery and energy metabolism. We have all B vitamins here in our apple cider vinegar complex. It's a beautiful formula of superfood, biocultures, and vitamins and minerals. Also, our marine collagen, biotin, hyaluronic acid formula enriched with vitamins and minerals. This formula has a lot of amino acids. Links will be in the description. Thanks so much for sticking around for this long chat. If you benefit from this content, you know what to do. Please hit that lovely subscribe button. Thank you so much. I have a little spark of news to share, please, with you all. We've just launched a brand new podcast. I know. Everyone has one these days, but this one is closest to my heart. It's called The Visionary with Hala. It's a warm, thoughtful space where I host conversations with some truly wonderful doctors and health professionals. Together, we explore everything from nutrition and bones to DNA testing, sexuality, skin health, sports, lifestyle medicine, and so much more. If any of that sounds like your cup of tea, we'd love your support. The link is in the description. Just one little click on that lovely subscribe button, please. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart.